Dear students, in this video we are going to see the construction and working of telescopic shock absorber. This is the constructional view of a telescopic shock absorber. The upper end of the telescopic shock absorber is attached to the axle and the lower end is attached to the chassis frame. A two-way valve V1 is connected to the rod. Another one two-way valve V2 is connected to the lower end of the cylinder. The fluid occupies in the space between above and below the valve V1 and also the annular space between the cylinder and the tube. A gland is provided on the head. So this is the gland which is provided on the head. Fluid scraped out by the rod is brought down into the annular space through the inclined passage. So this is the inclined passage. Okay, this is the construction, and now we'll see the working. When the vehicle comes across a bump, the lower eye will move up. So this is the lower eye, it will move up. So the fluid flows from the lower side of the valve V1. This is the lower side of the valve V1 to the upper side. Due to less volume of space above the valve V1, so here the space will get reduced. So the less volume of space above the valve V1, then the volume of the rod, the pressure is exerted on the valve V2. Thus the damping force is produced by this pressure of the fluid. The fluid will flow from the upper side of the valve V1 to the lower side when the lower eye moves down, and from lower side of the valve V2 to its upper side. When a car absorbs shocks from the road surface, the suspension springs will compress and expand because the spring has the characteristics of continuing to oscillate for a long time of oscillation to stop. So a riding comfort will be poor. Even the damp oscillation is supplied. Shock absorbers provide better road holding characteristics and improved steering stability to the tires. The stronger is the damping force, the more will be oscillations of the body. But the shock from the damping effect becomes greater than the strength of the stronger damping force. The damping force varies with the speed of the piston. So this is the working of telescopic shock absorber. So this question has more chance to ask in 13 marks in university examinations. So drawings, construction, working, advantages and disadvantages are must. Prepare well. Thank you.